this is Kim with Mom's Creative Moments. Welcome back to my channel. Hi, my name is Kim, and this is the second volume in a series of Disney layouts from one vacation we took to Disneyland at Thanksgiving 2022 for Disneyland, or for Thanksgiving weekend. This is just a flip through to let you know because I finally finished this album. So here is the title page from November 2022. And I'll just flip through it. This has been super fun to create. It's been a really it's a very varied layout. What am I trying to say? The layouts are quite varied because Disneyland or Disney World visits definitely give you the opportunity to visit different lands and experience different things. And so what that translates to in our scrapbooking world are different subjects and different fun experiences. We can use different themes on all of our pages and create layouts to go along with all the different areas of the park, which is super fun. Sorry for the glare. Let's see if I can lower my lights just a little bit. Maybe set this up just a little bit. There, that's a little bit better. Fantasmic was super fun and a lot of fun to create layouts for. We had quite a few layouts from the photos from that experience. My son got to make a lightsaber. He had just graduated from high school, so that was kind of a special treat for him. Second visit to Smuggler's Run. We walked through Fantasyland, visited It's a Small World. Oh, this is a peekaboo pocket for It's a Small World. Really, really pleased with the way that this all turned out. Oh, I need to journal on that page. I didn't do that yet. I haven't journaled through a lot of this album yet. So, not completely done, but the pages themselves are done. Thanks for joining me, and thanks for watching the videos for this series. It's been really fun. You have a great day, and I wish you many more creative moments. Take care now.